Hi students, welcome to your math lesson of the day. Today is Monday and we are in a new month now. We are in the month of November. So let's count with our fingers until we hit November and see how many fingers we got, okay? So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Now I counted 11 fingers on my hand. So that means we are going to begin writing our number form of the date with the month, and that is in November, so we counted 11. So some people put slashes, other people put dashes. And then what are two things we're missing? We're missing the day and the year. So we just finished October, so the last day of October was on Saturday. So the first day of November was yesterday. So that makes today November the 2nd. So we are on the second day of November. And this is the year 2020. And some people put the full 4 digits. Other people put the last 2. So 20. So 11/2, 2020 is today's number date form. Now, we're moving on in our Big Ideas book. We are going to chapter 3.1 in Big Ideas, but before we do that, we are going to do a number counting exercise, which I'm going to run out of breath while I'm doing it. But we are going to count to 110 today. Whoop, whoop. So let's begin. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Ooh, we're almost there to 110. 101. I love 101 because it looks like LOL, but we won't go there. 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. We did it. Woo. Man, I can't put my, there we go. There's my smiley face. Look at that beautiful math masterpiece. That's gorgeous. Look at that colorful numbers of the rainbow. It looks like a number full of Skittles. 0 to 110. Just imagine how far we have come from number counting, guys, since the beginning of the year. We have counted starting out from like to 30 and then to 50, and now we're up to 110. That's pretty amazing. That's awesome. I would re-say this all, but I'm out of breath, so I'm not going to. So enjoy this photo for a couple of more seconds before I jump on into 3.1 and big ideas. All right, so we were learning about the doubles in early chapter 2 about, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 4 is 8, 5 plus 5 is 10, 6 plus 6 is 12, just the doubles. But then we kind of went back to the part whole model, which was kind of touched on some on chapter 1, but now touched on the end of chapter 2, and now we are here again on chapter 3. Now I've noticed it's very important you put your numbers in the very correct spot on the part whole model, because I noticed you guys were misplacing the numbers on the part whole model. So I want you guys to remember this.
Kindergarten now loading.
Part plus part equals the whole. So the whole is going to be the biggest number. It's going to be the biggest one out of 3 numbers you're working with in a problem. So whatever's on the bottom, it's going to be the biggest one, okay? So I want you guys to remember that. So the 2 parts are going to be the small part, because it's like a piece of pie.
All grade level, now loading.
Like what you put, so if we were trying to compare to how many slices of cake we have left. So let's try to, or a piece of pizza. Let's do that. So we have 4 pieces of pizza. So would it be correct to put, we're trying to figure out how many pieces we've ate. So we ate, let's see. We ate 3, because those are white. So will we put 4 plus the ones we ate together? That would equal more pizza, and that's more than our whole. That's more than what we have, so that's not correct. So we're going to put our whole piece of pizza at the bottom. Let me write this a little better. So you have 1 big slice of pizza, so it's going to be at the bottom. And our pizza had 4 slices. But then we ate 3. So we ate 3. So 1, 2, 3. And we're trying to figure out how many we have left over to get to number 4. That's how many we started out. So you can write this problem: 3 plus blank equals 4. And we can use our good old number line system. So we write the number line and we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to stop at 4 since that's the total we're working with. And we're trying to figure out how many more up to 4. So we ate 3, so right here, and we're trying to figure out how many more we need to get to the number 4. And according to this number line, we just need 1 more. 1 more. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. 1. And if you're not sure about using the number line, let's count how many dots we have together. We should have our whole number as the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we both have matched the number 4, so we did that problem correctly. Let's try another one, for example. So in your textbook, you should see problems like question mark plus 6 equals 9. And then the 2 parts, and then the whole. So our answer is going to be 9, right? And we're trying to figure out how many more we get to 9. So 9 is the biggest one in this problem. So where does the biggest number problem go? Does it go here or here? It goes down here, because 9 is the total number we're trying to figure out that 9 is the number that these two parts make up together. Part plus part equals the whole. So we have the number 6, right? So I'm going to use green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. And we're trying to figure out how many more we have to 9. So we can write in our number line down here. Since we have 9, we can make one up to 9. So 1, 2, 3. That one's
Second
back.
fit kindergarten is now loading, but bus 133 is not here.
And 9. So we're trying to figure out how many we are to 9. Since we know the 9 is the total, we're not going to put our little dot there. We're going to put our dot on number 6 on this number. And we're trying to figure out how many more, how many spaces we have to count up until 9. So we're going to count up 1, 2, 3. And look, we landed on 9. 1, 2, 3. And we can count how many dots we have just to make sure we have
Second
this
fit
number.
operator level now loading.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we did that correct, guys. We did it. So, like, I like how
133 now loading.
we can also use the number line and number counting strategy in this math problem. So that's pretty cool. Okay, and I'm going to do another example for you guys. So I'm going to draw the part whole model. So remember, the two parts are less than the whole, and the whole is the bigger number that's going to be on the bottom. So I want you guys to remember that. So we have this problem where we have 8 on the bottom. So 8 is going to be the biggest number that we have in this problem. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 2 dots, 1, 2. We have 2 right here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have 2 right here. So if we were trying to write an addition equation, how should we do it? Well, we can start by saying part plus part equals the whole, right? So we have 1, 2 dots here, so we can begin saying 2 plus, excuse me, 6 equals the whole, which is 8, right? And we can even use the number line to check ourselves, or we can use the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 dots to show that we did it correctly, or the number line. 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I like to start out my dot at the biggest add-in, like the 6 and the 2, because it's less work. So 1, 2. And look, we both got 8. Since we started on 6 and then we counted upwards to 2. 1, 2. We both got 8. So we know we did that problem correctly. But yeah, this is what we're going to be learning about in 3.1, still going over the part whole model. So you guys should be pretty familiar with it. It's just more with using counters and dots. So you'll be making a lot more dots like these guys. If you have any questions about my math lesson, please let me know, and I'm more than happy to help. But I'll catch you guys next time.